welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. Today I'll show you how to make a personalized name puzzle using Glowforge. If you are not familiar with Glowforge, check my video about it. If you are interested in a Glowforge, you can use my referral link, which can save you up to $500 when purchasing a machine, and it helps me to create more content. Now, let's begin. For this project, I'll be using these two materials. A 1A Baltic birch plywood sheet from Woodpecker's Craft. This is a laser safe material and I have a 5% discount code in the info box. And a scrap piece of a 1/4-inch plywood I bought at Home Depot. When you're using wood that is not proof grade, I recommend you to mask both sides to reduce scorch marks. Make sure there are no bubbles or wrinkles in the transfer paper. As you can see, I masked both sides in both pieces. Place the material in the Glowforge. I'll start with the 1A Baltic birch plywood. I put together this design in Illustrator, but you could also use CorelDRAW, Inkscape, Silhouette Studio the Business Edition, or any other design program. Now I'll show you how I put it together. Insert a square. I already know the dimensions that will work with this name are 11.5 by 4.2 inches. Curve the corners. Duplicate the shape. For this, hold Shift on the keyboard. Insert text. I'll be using the font New Hopes. This font is part of my subscription to Created Fabrica. What I like about Created Fabrica is that you have a commercial license. If you don't have a subscription, you could also buy the font individually. I'll transform this text to shape. Go to Object, Expand. Make sure Object and Fill are selected. Click OK. Now this is not text anymore, they are shapes. I'm happy with the width of the name, but I want the letters to be at least 2.5 inches. Unlock the chain and modify the height. Center the name horizontally and vertically. I'll duplicate the name. I'm holding Shift on my keyboard for this. I open the layer panel so you can see what I'm doing. Select the shape and the name. Go to the Pathfinder panel and click on minus front. Now go to Object, select Compound Path, Make. This will put all the pieces in one layer. Finally, I'll change the stroke color of the shape. This way, when I upload it to the Glowforge software, it reads like an independent layer. Now, go to File, Save As, and save it as an SVG file. Now, upload the file to the Glowforge software. Since I'm not using a pre-grade material, it will show as an unknown material. I'll select the medium basswood plywood settings that will work great with the Baltic plywood I'm using. As you can see, this 2 layers operation is to cut. I'll modify the operation of this layer with the letters to ignore. This means there won't be any operation in this layer. I'll place it to the side. I'll move the other layers to the position I want. Click on Set Focus in the header bar. Click in the center. Click Print. This cut will take 4 minutes and 4 seconds. I fast forwarded this part of the video. Since this is a laser safe material, the cut was perfect. Open the lip. I'll clean it up with a baby wipe. Remove the pieces, and as you can see, the cuts are perfect. Now I'll cut the pieces in the 1/4 inch plywood. I am ignoring the layers I cut before. For this material, I'm using manual settings. Click on thickness material, in my case is 0.22 inches thick. Select the layer, the operation is cut, click on manual. I'll use a speed of 120, pressure, full power, and 1 pass. Click on print. This cut will take 5 minutes and 21 seconds. I fast forward this part of the video. I need to play a little more with the settings. The material was cut, but too many scorch marks were on the base. To avoid this, place a piece of cardstock on the bottom. Clean the pieces with a baby wipe. Here I have all the pieces. Remove the transfer tape. I want to show you the bottom side of this piece. As you can see, there were too many scorch marks. Placing a piece of cardstock will reduce it. Here I have the pieces I need. I'll glue these two pieces together with Gorilla Glue. Place them together and use some clamps to keep them together. Let them dry for a couple hours. I'll paint the letters with acrylic paint. I recommend at least putting 2 coats of paint. I cut another set of letters and painted in the rainbow colors. To seal the letters, apply a layer of Mod Podge. This layer dries clear. Let me know which one was your favorite, the pink one or the one with the rainbow colors. I hope you like this project. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll probably add this item to my Etsy shop for anybody interested in a personalized name puzzle. If you are interested in a Glowforge, you can use my referral link, which can save you up to $500 when purchasing a machine. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, hit the subscription button, tap the notification bell so you get informed every time I release a new video. Don't forget to visit my blog, follow me on my social media, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.